Okay, so here we're gonna start creating our own wing profile. So we're gonna go to File, New, Design. So now we want to find our favorite NACA airfoil wing profile. So we can start by open up a new tab. Now what I want to design is a high lift NACA airfoil. Then go to Images. So all of these are wing profiles. So here you can either design high lift airfoil section. So you have a plethora of wing profiles. Here's a Boeing VR-12, a high speed airfoil section. These are other different types of shapes of wing profiles. And each wing profile will give you different aerodynamic performance, such as the lift and the drag. So for me, I'm just going to choose a high lift airfoil. I'll choose the Boeing VR-12. So what you want to do is you go to Snippet, use the snipping tool, and I'll do the free form, hit New, and I will snippet the Boeing airfoil. So now you can right click, copy, go to Space Claim, right click in the white space and hit paste. Then you can paste on here. Then hit the plan view or the V, square it up, and you can rotate it by the triad, the circular part. Rotate it once, twice, 3 times. Zoom in, and you go to the spline tool. So what the spline tool does, when you click on it, the profile, you can start to recreate the profile of your blade. Now, what I've noticed is that my grid is actually too big. So in order to change that to make a finer grid, so I can make more precise points around the profile, so go to File, Space Claim Options, and go to Units. Scroll all the way down. It says 1 millimeter. You want to change that to 0.01 millimeter. Then hit OK. So now you can see there's a much finer grid. So I'm going to hit the Select tool, or S on the keyboard, and I'm going to take this guy, I'll delete him. I'm going to hit the spline. So now I can have finer selection over my profile. If you double click on the profile, it'll end, so you can create the other part of your blade. Double click. Okay, so now you've successfully created the profile by points using the spline tool for a Boeing VR-12 blade. So now return to 3D mode, hit this green cube, and then hit escape. So now we don't need this image anymore, so you can right click and delete it. And now you have your profile of your new wing blade. And then you can review part 1 video to create the wing from this profile.